So everything was going pretty good. We popped a couple fuses, a 20, a 25, and a 30. And so we decided to change the electrolyte mixture and put more distilled water into it and less electrolyte. But still, what ended up occurring was that we were pulling enough voltage or amperage or whatever you want to call it to melt right through our cheap little plastic container. So the fuse didn't pop this time. We were using a 30, but as you can see, it got hot enough to melt these babies. That one is the positive and that one is the negative. Everything else worked like a charm. As you can see, there's some discoloration in the water. There's our fill line. But yeah, it worked really well up until the point where it got too hot on the leads. Now this is what I'm thinking. These leads are stainless steel, so there's a lot of resistance in those stainless steel. And I'm thinking if we use something like copper or a little bit less resistant, maybe we wouldn't build up so much heat in the stainless steel, and we wouldn't be popping the fuses. So on our next try, we're going to get a different container, and we're also going to use different bolt setups here instead of the stainless steel. We use the stainless steel because we wanted them to hold up pretty well. But the setup's pretty simple. You know, we've got the inline fuse right here. I know it's probably tough to see, it's very low light. And that inline fuse saved us from doing any damage. That goes over and connects up the white wire to the positive lead that basically melted, releasing the HHO gas, or the brown gas, whatever you want to call it. And then we've got the negative lead, and that goes all the way down, and we've got it connecting, let's see, right here to this bolt onto the body of the car. So not bad. The hose, you can see, goes away from the top and then just straight down and then boom, right into the air tank. And I know it's really low light, so you just have to forgive me. But yeah, so that's it. Right into the air intake. Pretty easy. We're not using any pulse wave modulators or anything like that. But that's it, start to finish. I hope you guys liked it, and I'll show you what happens on the second try, where we use a reservoir container for our wet cell that is a little bit more hefty. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.